Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So today is going to be my last Christmas video, and I'm sorry that I did not upload a bunch of videos for you for this year, but hopefully next year will be better. And I'm still sticking to my once a week upload. I don't think I've actually updated you guys on that, but I've just been having some stuff going on right now, so I just want to stick to one upload a week. So today we are doing a little Christmas DIY project, and I'm super excited about this because I think it's gonna just be so cute. I kind of saw this idea on Pinterest, and I kind of just sort of came up with my own like twist on it. So I went to Joann and found some stuff to make little Christmas sugar cookies. Not the kind you eat. Sorry you guys, I'm not much of a baker, cook, but I do want to make little felt ones so I can decorate with them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make 3 different Christmas cookies. I think that's about how much material I'll have to do this project. So I'll show you guys how to make it, decorate it, all that stuff, and then I'll show you guys how you can incorporate it with your Christmas decorations. You can make them as big or small as you want to. You can choose different colors. I've got all kinds of sprinkles. So I went and got some beads, and these are actually from Dollar Tree. These are not from Joann, these green ones. I was so happy when I found these because these right here look like sprinkles so much. So I can't wait to use these. And then we've got some really colorful ones that I got at Joann. Just want to show y'all how I'm going to make mine. And I haven't decided if I'm going to sew them or not. I don't know. It kind of depends what's going to be easier. So you can do this project. You could sew it or you could not sew it. I mean, you could use a hot glue gun and it would be perfectly fine, which is what I might try to do. So we'll see. Whatever, just, you know, whatever happens, happens. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, I think I'm going to start with the giant round cookie. So you will need 2 pieces of felt for this if you want to make it as big as I'm going to make mine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna get a marker and I'm gonna trace my circle out here. I don't know if I have anything large enough to put here that I could trace. So I'm gonna try my hardest, but I want to make it as big as possible. It's already looking weird, y'all. I knew it was gonna be like this. That's just how it is. Like I'm not good at circles, you guys. If y'all watch my tutorials, but we're gonna try here. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because if you think about it, I mean, cookies don't look perfect most of the time if you make them yourself. Okay, so I don't think it looks terrible. I think I'm gonna try to use my hot glue gun to glue this, but before I do that, I need to decide what color frosting I want to do. I think for this one, I'm gonna do red, and then we'll possibly do like white or green sprinkles for the topping. This is gonna be a little tricky, I think. I guess I'll just try to do it round as well. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I think that looks okay. I'm actually not mad about it. So I think we can go ahead and glue it now. Alright, you guys, so I tried to turn it inside out and it didn't really work that well, so I think I am just gonna have to leave the raw edges, which is not something that I wanted to do at all. And I also glued all of it together, which I wasn't supposed to do, because I forgot to mention we've got to add stuffing to make the cookie kind of pop out a little bit so it won't be so flat. So what I'm gonna do now, since I'm kind of going to plan B, I'm just leaving the raw edges. I am gonna go and I'm gonna cut any edges that are like sticking out so that way it just looks a lot better. Now we're gonna add the frosting first, I think, and then we can add the stuffing. So you just need a little bit. It's not a lot at all. Or you can put as much as you want in it, I guess, but I don't want it to be too stuffed. That's probably about as much as I'm going to add to this. I think that that's good enough. For the bead part, I'm actually going to be switching over to fabric glue. I think that's going to be so much easier and it's probably going to look better, I'm hoping. I'm going to be using the Fabric Fusion glue. I hope this works good, y'all. Okay, that's a lot, y'all. Okay, this is going to be very messy, by the way, so if you don't have a trash can... Alright, I think I'm gonna add some little green ones if I can, if they'll stick. I don't know if they're actually going to. I don't know how these are gonna turn out, y'all. I don't know. Okay, that is pretty stinking cute. I really like that a lot. But I think what I want to do is I want to add like some sprinkle looking things on the top here. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and move on to the second cookie. And all I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to flip it over and glue it. And that's all I want to do to it. I kind of just want it to look like a little cake or something, I guess. So I'm gonna try that and see how it looks. I think I'm gonna do the green, and I'm just gonna cut it out kind of however and just make it look like frosting, sort of. And then for this next one, I'm just gonna do a little small square cookie. So I think I'm just going to cut a little bit off maybe, or I could leave it like this, but I don't think I want to. Yeah, I kind of just want to do like a little square. Okay, now I'm gonna cut out my frosting. Now we're going to add these blue sprinkles, which I am hoping, I keep saying sprinkles. Alright you guys, so here are the cookie decorations. I'm not super happy with them. I wish I would have done things a little differently. I was going to make them into ornaments, but I figured they were too big. So I'll show you guys how I decorate with these. I have them underneath my tree right now. I've got these other candies on this other side here, and I put those together. So you can put them underneath your tree, or you can put them in your tree if they're not too big, but these are pretty big. Still might be kind of cute, I guess. So you could have a candy cookie tree, but you might want to make them a little bit smaller if you decide to do that. But yeah, I think they look really festive and fun. If anything, I guess they look like little pastries. So yeah, that is it for my cookie decorating video DIY. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.